How to create and use shared albums on iPhone. A shared album on your iPhone lets you share photos and videos with family and friends in one place, making it much easier to stay organized. First, open the photos on your iPhone. Tap the Albums tab at the bottom, then scroll down to Shared Albums. If you don't see it, go to Settings, tap Photos, and make sure Shared Albums is turned on. Now, tap the plus icon and select New Shared Album. Enter a name for the album, then tap Next. Add the people you want to share the album with by entering their phone numbers or Apple IDs, then tap Create. Once the album is created, open it and tap the plus icon to add photos or videos. Select the items you want to share and tap Post. Everyone you've invited can view the album, add their own photos and videos, and leave comments if you allow it. It's a great way to share vacation pictures, family events, or group memories without sending everything through messages. And that's how to create and use shared albums on iPhone in iOS 16. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to guides.